Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very simple and delicious recipe for cheddar biscuits. It's so yummy and very easy to make. And the recipe is from the Diet Chef's website. I've adapted it to be lectin free. So the first thing that you want to do is line a baking sheet with a Silpat mat or some parchment paper. Then you're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. So in a bowl, we're going to beat together 2 tablespoons of melted homemade butter. You can also use French butter or melted ghee. 2 tablespoons of organic cream cheese that's been softened, and 1 pasture-raised egg. Okay. Once that's smooth, we're just gonna set that aside. In a food processor, you wanna add 1.5 cups of blanched almond flour, 1 cup of grated gruyere cheese or any other compliant cheese. Add 1 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking powder. We'll toss that all together and then we'll process it. Okay. After a minute, we're going to take a look and see what it looks like, and it's combined pretty well. So we're just going to pour that into the egg mixture. And now we're going to stir it together until it becomes a dough. We're going to get our baking sheet that was lined with the Silpat or the parchment paper, and we'll start forming the dough into little flat balls. So depending on how big you want them, you can take about an ice cream scoop's worth, roll the dough in your hand into a ball, and then kind of gently flatten it out into a biscuit shape. Put that on the tray. And now we're just gonna put this in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. Timer's gone off, so we're gonna take a look at these biscuits and see. Oh yeah, they are done. They have a really nice brown color. We can go ahead and transfer these to a cooling rack to cool a little bit. They are smelling so delicious. So we can cut one open and see what it looks like. It has a nice texture. I have some melted butter, which I mixed with some fresh chives and garlic powder, and you can just brush that on top of it, and that tastes really nice. But there you have it, the most delicious cheddar biscuits that are lectin-free, gluten-free, and even keto. Enjoy.